Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag dryer control knob. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new control knob. The control knob is mounted on the control panel. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and you can't change the settings. To get the control knob off, all you have to do is grab it and pull it off the shaft. If the control knob is cracked and the little metal insert sticks on the shaft, you may have to use a small flathead screwdriver to take it off so you don't have any problems putting the new control knob on. Here's the old control knob next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new control knob on, all you have to do is line up the flat on the shaft with the flat on the knob, and you can rotate it over and push it on. Once you have the new control knob installed, you can plug the dryer back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.